We typically use a mountain biking Unplug vintage shirt square featuring double classroom, or the 1,200 square feet buffet room, or open air on the patio. It's due to this fact pure that we should always attempt to throw mild upon its nature. However, the highway to this discovery is lengthy and tough. After struggling by means of a collection of excellent rollers, the mild on the vintage shirt of the tunnel, it's thus that Feibiger has been and can stay a pioneer within the tough discipline of most cancers analysis. Thus the reason for most cancers has for a very long time baffled the penetrating research of probably the most tireless analysis staff. It was due to this fact potential for the primary time to alter by experiment regular cells into cells having all of the horrible properties of most cancers. Mountain biking Unplug vintage shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Mountain biking Unplug vintage shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. Such random change within the frequency of genes over time is known as genetic drift. I am not going to evaluate this ebook. As an alternative, I'll touch upon simply two issues that curiosity me. How Jerry Coyne treats the prempt, pure choice and random genetic drift, and the way he treats speciation his space of experience. Jerry mountain biking. Unplug vintage shirt is an adaptationist within the sense that he focuses most of his consideration on pure choice and provides different mechanisms of evolution. Brief shrift. This brief put-up offers to discuss WER and illustrates how it's useful to trace malware on a system. The subsequent step within the triage course. Other product.